Welcome to LITBLINDS Store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Stunning ideas for custom wallpaper and vertical blinds. Transform your space with custom wallpaper that reflects your unique style and personality. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color, showcase your favorite artwork, or create a captivating focal point, our custom wallpaper options allow you to bring your vision to life. With high-quality materials and precise printing techniques, each panel is crafted to perfection, ensuring a seamless installation and stunning results. Elevate any room in your home or office with custom wallpaper that's as individual as you are. Vertical blinds offer a sleek and versatile window covering solution for any space. Their elegant design allows for precise light control, making them ideal for adjusting brightness and privacy levels to suit your preferences. Whether you're seeking a modern touch for your office or a practical yet stylish addition to your home, vertical blinds provide a timeless aesthetic that complements any decor. With a variety of colors, materials, and customization options available, you can tailor your vertical blinds to seamlessly integrate with your interior design scheme while enjoying the convenience and functionality they provide. Custom wallpaper offers a unique opportunity to transform your space into a personalized oasis. Whether you're aiming to infuse your home or office with vibrant colors, intricate patterns, or cherished memories, custom wallpaper allows you to bring your vision to life. Their vertical slats offer versatility, allowing you to adjust the level of sunlight entering the room while maintaining privacy. Whether you're outfitting a large window or a sliding glass door, vertical blinds offer a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements any decor style. Available in a variety of materials, colors, and textures, you can customize your vertical blinds to perfectly suit your space. With their easy-to-operate mechanism and durable construction, vertical blinds are a timeless window treatment option that combines functionality with elegance. Custom wallpaper empowers you to transform your space into a personalized haven. Whether you seek to envelop your walls in vibrant hues, intricate patterns, or cherished memories, custom wallpaper brings your unique vision to life. Vertical blinds offer a versatile and stylish solution for managing light and privacy in any room. Their vertical slats allow for easy adjustment, letting you control the amount of sunlight entering the space while maintaining your desired level of privacy. Whether you're covering large windows, sliding glass doors, or unique architectural features, vertical blinds provide a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements any decor. Custom wallpaper offers an unparalleled opportunity to transform your space into a reflection of your personality and style. With the ability to choose from an endless array of designs, patterns, colors, and textures, you can create a truly unique atmosphere that resonates with your vision. Vertical blinds are a versatile and practical window covering solution that adds both functionality and style to any space. Their vertical slats provide excellent light control and privacy, allowing you to adjust the amount of sunlight entering the room while maintaining your desired level of privacy. Vertical blinds are particularly well suited for large windows, sliding glass doors, and other expansive openings, offering a sleek and modern aesthetic that complements various interior design styles. Custom wallpaper offers a unique opportunity to personalize your space and create a truly immersive environment. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement with vibrant patterns and colors or prefer a more subtle and sophisticated design, custom wallpaper allows you to bring your vision to life. Vertical blinds are a versatile and practical window covering option that offers both functionality and style. Their vertical slats provide excellent control over light and privacy, allowing you to adjust the amount of sunlight entering a room while maintaining your desired level of privacy. Their easy-to-operate mechanism and low maintenance requirements make them a convenient choice for busy spaces. Whether you prefer a classic, timeless design or a contemporary, trendy look, vertical blinds offer a practical and stylish solution for any window treatment need. Custom wallpaper offers an unparalleled opportunity to infuse your space with personality and charm. With the ability to choose from an extensive array of designs, colors, and patterns, you can create a truly unique atmosphere that reflects your individual style and taste. Whether you're drawn to bold and vibrant motifs or prefer subtle and sophisticated textures, custom wallpaper allows you to tailor every detail to suit your vision. Using state-of-the-art printing technology and high-quality materials, each panel of custom wallpaper is crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring a flawless finish and long-lasting beauty. Whether you're decorating a residential home, commercial space, or any other environment, custom wallpaper can transform ordinary walls into extraordinary works of art. From stunning murals to intricate patterns and custom designs, the possibilities are endless when it comes to custom wallpaper. Elevate your interior design and make a lasting impression with a personalized wall covering that adds character and charm to any room. Vertical blinds are a versatile and practical window treatment option suitable for various spaces. Consisting of vertical slats that can be adjusted to control light and privacy, vertical blinds are particularly well suited for large windows, sliding glass doors, and tall openings. These blinds offer several benefits, including light control. Vertical blinds allow you to easily adjust the angle of the slats to control the amount of natural light entering the room. This feature is especially useful for maintaining comfortable lighting conditions and reducing glare on screens or furniture. Privacy. By tilting the slats, you can achieve the desired level of privacy without compromising natural light. This makes vertical blinds an excellent choice for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices where privacy is essential. Versatility. Vertical blinds come in a variety of materials, colors, and textures, allowing you to customize them to match your decor style. Whether you prefer fabric, vinyl, or even faux wood, there's an option to suit your aesthetic preferences. Space saving. Unlike some other window treatments, vertical blinds stack neatly to the side when fully opened, minimizing visual clutter and maximizing usable space. Easy maintenance. Vertical blinds are relatively easy to clean and maintain, requiring occasional dusting or vacuuming to keep them looking fresh. Overall, vertical blinds offer a blend of functionality, versatility, and style, making them a popular choice for both residential and commercial settings. Custom wallpaper is a fantastic way to personalize your space and make a statement. Whether you want to create a calming atmosphere in your bedroom, an inspiring workspace in your office, or a playful environment in a child's room, custom wallpaper allows you to bring your unique vision to life. With custom wallpaper, you have the freedom to choose from a vast array of designs, patterns, colors, and textures, ensuring that your walls reflect your personality and style. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant prints, subtle and elegant patterns, or anything in between, the options are endless. Think truly extraordinary. Vertical blinds also come in a variety of materials, including fabric, vinyl, and faux wood, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your aesthetic preferences and practical needs. Additionally, vertical blinds are available in a wide range of colors and patterns, making it easy to find the perfect match for your decor.
With innovation. Lit Blinds required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.